Hey guys, have you ever suffered from limited mobility in your front rack position for a front squat? Well, let me show you how to fix that with some tips and tricks. All right, step one for our front rack position. If it is hard to bring our elbows through and have the bar placed on our fingertips, we can use weight straps. From here, you're going to wrap them around the barbell, bring your shoulders onto the barbell, and just hold onto the straps. From here, you're going to step it up and step back. And now you have a comfortable position in that position. All right, but what if we don't have straps? Well, we can bring our shoulders up to the bar and make an X with our hands. Step up the bar, step it back. And now our shoulders and our elbows are holding the barbell up. Hands are free. Squat down and up. Say your shoulder mobility is impeccable. What about your ankle mobility? If you find yourself coming up in the front squat or any type of squat and you feel your ankles are coming up off the floor, you can use a wedge by placing the heels on the bottom part and then going into that squat. That helps bring the floor closer to your heels and helps you get full range of motion in that squat. All right, say you don't have a wedge. How else can you elevate your heels in that squat position? Well, you can take something as simple as some plates. You have these in your gym, and you'll place them behind you, step your heels onto the plates, go down into that squat, and you get more range of motion, and you can hang out here all day long. All right, and if you don't have weights or a wedge to elevate your heels, you can always get yourself some weightlifting shoes. There's multiple brands out there. Just find one that you like and try it out. But if you have mobility issues in your ankles or your shoulders, give these tips and tricks a try and let us know what you think.